Cannabis, commonly known as marijuana, is a psychoactive drug derived from the cannabis plant. It is often consumed for its relaxing and euphoric effects. Some people employ it for recreation, while others utilize it medicinally for its potential pain-relieving and anti-nausea effects. Nicotine is a stimulant found in tobacco products, primarily cigarettes. It is highly addictive and stimulates the release of dopamine in the brain, leading to a sense of pleasure and relaxation. Smoking is a major cause of preventable diseases like lung cancer and cardiovascular issues. Alcohol is a legal and widely consumed psychoactive substance. It depresses the central nervous system, leading to effects such as relaxation and lowered inhibitions. However, excessive alcohol consumption can result in serious health issues, including addiction and liver damage. Steroids, or anabolic androgenic steroids, are synthetic variations of the male sex hormone testosterone. Although having valid medical applications, misuse of these substances, notably in sports, can result in severe health complications such as cardiovascular issues and mood fluctuations. Heroin is an illegal opioid derived from morphine. It induces a powerful euphoria and pain relief, but its use can lead to addiction, respiratory failure, and other severe health problems. Heroin abuse has significant social and health implications. Shrooms contain the hallucinogenic compound psilocybin, leading to altered perceptions, vivid hallucinations, and a sense of spiritual insight. Their use is associated with relatively low risks of physical harm, but they can have psychological consequences. Meth is a potent central nervous system stimulant. It increases energy and focus, but is highly addictive and associated with severe health consequences, including cardiovascular issues, dental problems or meth mouth, and mental health issues. Nitrous oxide is commonly used as a dental anesthetic and recreationally as a dissociative drug. It induces a brief sense of euphoria and altered perception. Excessive or prolonged usage may result in health problems, such as a deficiency in vitamin B12. PCP is a dissociative anesthetic that can induce hallucinations, delirium, and distorted perceptions of reality. Its usage correlates with erratic and frequently perilous conduct, potentially resulting in enduring adverse impacts on mental well-being. LSD is a potent hallucinogenic drug that alters perception and mood. It is known for its long-lasting effects and can induce intense, colorful hallucinations. The long-term psychological effects are, to this day, not fully understood. Cocaine is a powerful stimulant that increases energy, focus, and euphoria. However, its use is associated with cardiovascular issues, addiction, and a range of physical and mental health problems. Ayahuasca is a psychoactive brew traditionally used in Amazonian shamanic rituals. It contains DMT and a monoamine oxidase inhibitor. What the concoction essentially causes is a delay in the natural process of breaking down DMT molecules, causing the drug to stay prolonged in your system, leaving the effects to last hours instead of minutes. Ayahuasca ceremonies are often conducted for spiritual or healing purposes, but its use requires caution due to potential psychological and physical effects. It is also known to cause severe vomiting and diarrhea in many users. Bath salts are a group of synthetic drugs designed to mimic the effects of cathinoids found in the cat plant. They can induce stimulant effects, leading to increased energy and altered perceptions. Nevertheless, serious health risks, such as hypothermia and cardiovascular problems, are linked to them. Datura, also referred to as Jimson weed, contains tropane alkaloids with hallucinogenic properties. Ingesting parts of the plant can lead to intense and delirious experiences, but it is associated with a high risk of toxicity and adverse effects. DMT is a powerful hallucinogenic drug found in certain plants. It induces intense, short-lived psychedelic experiences. DMT is often associated with spiritual or mystical experiences, and its use is relatively rare. It is commonly known as one of, if not the strongest psychedelic experiences known to man, and should likely be avoided due to the unknown possible effects it can have on the user's mind. DXM is a cough suppressant found in many over-the-counter medications. In large doses, it can produce dissociative and hallucinogenic effects. Misuse can lead to serious health issues, including addiction and respiratory problems. DXM, often mistaken for lean, possesses notably more unpredictable outcomes. Fentanyl is a potent synthetic opioid used medically for pain management. Illicitly produced fentanyl is associated with a high risk of overdose and respiratory depression. It is significantly more potent than other opioids, making its use extremely dangerous, and a minuscule amount can trigger overdoses even in bystanders. GHB is a central nervous system depressant that can induce relaxation and euphoria. It is sometimes used recreationally, but can be dangerous due to its narrow therapeutic range. Overdosing on GHB can lead to respiratory failure and other severe consequences. Ketamine is a dissociative anesthetic that induces a trance-like state and hallucinations. It is used medically as an anesthetic for horses, but recreational use on humans can lead to disorientation, visual and auditory hallucinations, and long-term cognitive issues. Users of ketamine may undergo a phenomenon referred to as a K-hole, which entails a profound dissociative condition with vivid hallucinations and an altered perception of time and space. To others, a K-hole often personifies itself in the user as a state of unresponsive lifelessness. Kratum is a tropical tree native to Southeast Asia. Its leaves contain compounds that can produce stimulant or sedative effects depending on the dose. While some people use it for pain relief or to manage opioid withdrawal, concerns exist about its addictive potential. Crocodil is a synthetic opioid derived from codeine. Its use is associated with severe health consequences, including tissue damage, gangrene, and a range of skin-related issues. Crocodil gained notoriety for its destructive effects on the body. Lean is a recreational drug that combines codeine-based cough syrup, soda, and candy. It can induce a sedative effect due to the codeine, but misuse can lead to serious health issues, including addiction and respiratory depression. Rappers frequently glamorize it in the media. Some notable individuals have succumbed to overdoses. LSA is a naturally occurring psychedelic compound found in morning glory seeds. Consuming these seeds can lead to altered perceptions and hallucinations. However, ingestion of morning glory seeds also carries risks, such as nausea and vomiting. MDMA is a synthetic drug that alters mood and perception. It is known for inducing feelings of euphoria, increased energy, and emotional warmth. Nevertheless, it may cause negative impacts, such as dehydration and increased body heat. MDA is a psychedelic amphetamine, similar to MDMA but with distinct effects. It can induce feelings of empathy and increased energy, though it may have more hallucinogenic properties. Long-term effects and risks associated with MDA use are not fully understood. N-bombs are a synthetic hallucinogenic drug that mimics the effects of LSD. It is often sold on blotter paper and branded as LSD as it leads to intense hallucinations. However, its use is associated with a higher risk of severe side effects, including seizures and organ failure. LSD, for example, has no physically toxic overdose threshold if you ignore the psychological effects, whereas N-bombs are significantly more toxic and can kill in otherwise safe doses if the user had otherwise taken LSD. Poppers, also known as amyl nitrate, are a recreational inhalant that produces a short-lasting head rush and euphoria. While it is not physically addictive, misuse can lead to adverse health effects including headaches and dizziness. Salvia Divinorum is a hallucinogenic plant that produces intense, short-lived effects when smoked or chewed. It can lead to vivid hallucinations and altered perceptions. The long-term effects of salvia use remain unclear, and its legality varies in different regions. There's anecdotal evidence indicating its effects resemble those of DMT. Spice, or K2, refers to synthetic cannabinoids sprayed onto plant material and smoked for a marijuana-like high. The composition of synthetic cannabinoids can vary, leading to unpredictable and dangerous effects, including severe anxiety and hallucinations. Xanax belongs to the benzodiazepine class of medications. It is commonly prescribed to treat anxiety and panic disorders due to its calming effects on the central nervous system. Although Xanax may offer benefits when used with medical oversight, its propensity for abuse and addiction is also well documented. Recreational use of Xanax can result in sedation, relaxation, and a feeling of euphoria. However, its misuse poses significant risks, including respiratory depression, memory issues, and dependence.